Namaste. We hope all of you are doing good, well. So today, through this conversation, we are gonna talk about Kumbh Isnan or Kumbh Mela. So Kumbh Isnan is a very auspicious occasion in India. So in Kumbh Mela conducts or Kumbh Snans. Snan means taking bath in the Ganges. So this Kumbh Mela, Kumbh Snan conducts in 4 places in India, which are Haridwar, Allahabad, Ujjain or Nasik. So according to our Shastras, according to our history, a long time back, there was one conflict or one fight between gods and demons. So this fight was for the nectar of the ocean, which we say Amrit. Amrit means nectar. So this fight was in between gods and the demons for the nectar. So nectar, whoever drinks it becomes immortal. So demons, they want to become immortal and they want to spread the demonness throughout the heaven, as it is said in the scriptures. So gods, they tried their best to protect that nectar from the demons so that it can be used properly for the welfare of the creation. But somehow this fight went on, and some demon, they got this nectar, and when they were fighting for the nectar was in a pot and they all were fighting for the pot, then suddenly the 4 drops of nectar splashed out from the pot and dropped in these 4 places: Ujjain, Nasik and Allahabad, Haridwar. So these drops, 4 drops of the nectar dropped in these 4 parts. So in every 4 years, in every 12 years, this Kumbh Snan gets conducted in all these places. So during the Kumbh, people go to these places and they take a holy dip. They take a dip into Ganges in order to vanish all, the past karmas, all the bad karmas that happened. Everybody goes to these places to cleanse themselves, and this bath, this cleansing also help us to the path of the self-realization. So this is a very big auspicious occasion in India, and currently this Kumbh Snans or this Kumbh Mela is going on in the Haridwar, which is around 30 kilometers from where we are sitting right now, about 30 to 40 kilometers. And taking dip in the Ganges during this time gives us different experience which we cannot get normally when we go to the river to take the dip. So experience cannot be realized through this conversation, and if you guys are in India and want to go to take the holy dip, So do not miss this occasion. Go and take the holy dip in the Ganges to cleanse all the past wrong karmas and make the commitment to walk on the right path in order to get the self-realization. Thank you so much for listening and wish you all a wonderful time. Namaste.